Today, you will learn how to redline a document in Word. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, open your document in Word. At the top, click on the Review tab. This tab contains all the tools you need for tracking changes. Now, click on the Track Changes button. As soon as you turn this on, Word will start recording every change you make in the document. Basically, redlining means showing all the changes made in a document so others can clearly see what was added, deleted, or edited. Now start editing your document. If you add new text, it will appear in a different color and be underlined. If you delete text, it will not disappear completely. Instead, it will show with a line through it. This is called redlining because all edits are clearly visible to anyone reviewing the document. If you want to see the changes more clearly, go to the Tracking section in the Review tab and change the display from Simple Markup to All Markup. This will show every single edit in detail. You can also click Show Markup to control what you want to see, such as insertions, deletions, formatting changes, or comments. You can also add comments while redlining. Simply select any text, click New Comment in the Review tab, and type your note. This is very useful when reviewing documents with others. Once the editing is done, you can accept or reject changes. Click on Accept to keep a change, or Reject to remove it. You can do this one by one, or choose Accept All Changes if everything is correct. If you want to stop redlining, simply click the Track Changes button again to turn it off. If this tutorial helped you understand redlining in Word easily, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and watch more beginner-friendly Word tutorials packed with high-value tips.